Hello guys, how are you doing? So if your subscriber count has been stuck at 50, maybe 100 or let's say even 300 and it feels like you're watching everyone grow while your channel stays quiet, then this video is what you need right now. In today's video, I'll be revealing a game-changing trick that could actually seriously boost your subscriber count faster than you think. It's something that I've personally used and I've seen other creators testify about the insane results they got with this trick. Oh, and if you are new on this channel, welcome to Digital Payroll. Right here, we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how to grow on YouTube. So do well to subscribe to this channel, drop a comment if you got value, and also like this video so that this video will get to more people that want similar kind of video. Alright, let's get into it. So at this point, you want to listen closely and stick around to the very end because if you miss one part of this tutorial, you'll miss the whole magic. So ensure you don't miss any part, ensure you watch from the beginning to the end. I'm about to show you how you can turn your own YouTube channel into a powerful subscriber magnet. Something that gets people to subscribe, something that gets people to smash that subscribe button without you begging them in every video. And trust me, this is not one of those shady bots methods. Like, this is 100% real strategy that works. Any time of the year, you can try this and it works. So here is what you need to know. Getting subscribers on YouTube comes down to click. Unlike how you push your videos every day, hoping that people watch your videos, growing your subscriber on YouTube take a bit of an intentional effort because let's be honest, you see that tiny subscribe button you are seeing right there? Yeah, that one you are looking at right now. Most people don't click on it, and I bet that even you yourself, you also ignored that button, despite the fact that I told you that you should subscribe earlier. That's just the fact. What if I told you that there's a way you can make your subscribe button pop up automatically when people are watching your video or whenever they click on your link? That sounds great, right? Awesome. So ensure we pay attention so I reveal this magic to you. Now, here's how you do it. First thing first, you need to find your base channel URL. Let me take you through the process step by step so that you get to understand how you go about it. So just follow along. So right now, you need to go to your YouTube studio. So right now, I'm on my YouTube studio. So on the left side, you get to see where you see customization. Can you see it right here? This is where you have customization. So just click on it. I see that. So once you click on that, look for where you have your channel URL and just copy it. So that's your base link. This one you are seeing right here is your base link. But if you're a new channel, you might not have this particular link. So it's okay you use the default link that YouTube gave you. That one also works fine. So next thing is you want to turn this normal channel link you are seeing right here into an auto subscribe link. And this is where the real magic starts. So I'll get to open my Chrome browser. So just go ahead and search for auto subscribe link generator. Auto subscribe link generator. So when the page loads, then just paste that URL that you copied into this box that you are seeing here. So once you paste it, you go ahead and click on generate, and can you see you'll be given a brand new link, So this is like your secret new weapon. With this particular special link, whenever someone clicks on your link, YouTube automatically prompts them to subscribe to your channel. Like, no extra click, no hassle. They'll be prompted to subscribe to your channel. Now the key is for you to use this link smartly so that you can start pulling in subscribers very fast. You want to learn how to use it smartly. So and I'll be showing you the different methods you go about using it smartly. So let's start with method 1. So this one has to do with you adding this auto subscribe link to your channel info page. You want to add it to your info page. Let's head back to our YouTube studio and let's go back to where we have customization layout. Then you get to scroll down to where you have add link section. Can you see add link section here? So I guess you found it over there. Yeah. So just click on add link. Then right here, just go ahead and type a title. You can just put something like subscribe for more, or you can add join the community. But for me, I'll be writing kindly subscribe. That's very simple. So once you are done doing that, so over here you come and paste your auto subscribe link right here. Just go ahead and paste it in this box. So I'm done pasting that. Then once this is done, you go ahead and publish what you just did. Just like go ahead and save the changes you just made. So now when anybody visits your channel homepage, they will see a clickable link front and center. Like, it will make it super easy for them to just subscribe instantly. Let me show you what it looks like. Let me show you this in action. So I'll go to my channel page right now. Can you see that link is showing right here? And if I should go and click the link right here, I see it's showing that, are you sure you want to subscribe to Charles Chinon? So obviously I cannot subscribe to my own channel. That is why it is showing this thing you are seeing right here. So even sometimes this confirmation does not even appear. Once they click on that link, they will get subscribed automatically. Like, that's how powerful this method is. Are you getting? Awesome. So now I'll go ahead and show you the second way to use your auto subscribe link smartly. So this has to do with using it in your video cards and end screens. So now let me move on to show you this powerful method so that you can skyrocket your subscribers using this auto subscribe link. Here's exactly how you do it. So when you're uploading a new video, or probably you're editing an existing one, because you can go and try this on your already videos, like the videos already on your channel. So just head on to where you have the edit page. So once you're on the edit page like this, can you see here's the edit page at the back end. So you have to use your YouTube Studio for this. So go ahead and click on cards. Can you see cards right here? So once you click on cards, this is where you get to like add your auto subscribe link, or you can also promote a channel name right here. Peradventure there's a channel you have in mind you want to promote, you can do that right here. So with this method, once people play your video, they will see a subscribe button pop up on their screen, therefore making it very easy for them to subscribe while watching your video. Are you seeing that? So right now I'll be trying a channel name. So let's assume I want to promote this particular channel, Funny TV Mister. So I'll go ahead and add the channel name right here and search it. So you can see it has loaded the channel name for me, and I'll go ahead and add it right here. So once you are done adding that channel you want to promote, it could be your other channels. Right here, you write a custom teaser message to encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel. So I'll be writing something like, please subscribe. But then you can customize yours however you want. Then come here and set the exact time you want the subscribe card to pop up, like when they are watching your video. So you can type in the timestamp right here, like you can do this manually, or you can use this slider to just pick the perfect moment. Are you seeing how it's moving? So I just go ahead and pick 35 thereabouts. So once you pick a particular time, then you proceed and save it. Just go ahead and save it once everything looks good. So here's an advice for you: ensure that you set this time early. Set it early in your video so that more viewers will get to see it. You know that most people have low attention span, so set it early so that they get to see it before they leave your video. Now when people are watching your videos, after you've set all this, once they are watching your video, they get to see a subscribe button pop up, making it effortless for them to subscribe to your channel. So let's test it out. Let me show you guys what I'm saying. So here's the video I just updated. So let's play this video and see what we just set. So once I play this video, let me forward it to the moment. Alright, so can you see that? I guess you can see that. So you can see how the subscribe button just pop up. It just appeared. That's how easy it is to turn viewers into subscribers using this method. Can you see that? So go ahead and try this right away, guys. Go ahead and try it. So and I'll be showing you the third method. You can use this auto subscribe link to gain massive subscribers. So this one is a game changer. This is a game changer for growing your subscribers using the auto subscribe link. So the way this one works is that you have to go to the comment section of your video. So once you are in your comment section, then just go ahead and paste that link on the comment section alongside a little write-up. You get, you can just write, kindly subscribe to my channel. Then you put the auto subscribe link right there in the comment section and post it. So once the comment is posted, then you go ahead and pin it to the top of your post. So that way it is the first thing that people see when they scroll down through your comment section. So this method is also very, very effective because you see many viewers usually check comment section first before watching a video. Usually check comment section to know if it's actually worth their time. Do you understand? So with this, they get to see your comment first, which is your subscribe link. Do you get? And once they click on it, they'll be given a direct path to subscribe to your channel without hassle. Use this method consistently and trust me, you'll see your subscriber count faster than ever. So guys, this is like seriously next level stuff. It works like pure magic. I've used this to grow my channel before, and I'm telling you that if you use it, you get crazy results doing this. Do you understand? So now you have your ultimate blueprint to growing your subscriber to 1,000 subscribers so that you can start earning. And if you're already earning, you can still use this method to grow your subscriber to more numbers. So that is exactly how the auto subscribe link works. Every time someone clicks on that link, whether on your channel page, on your pinned comments, or even the use of cards, you are stacking the odds of gaining new subscriber. So ensure you use all these three methods, use them consistently, pair them with great content, guys, and watch your subscriber counts skyrocket fast. So if this video blew your mind, do it to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment saying 1k soon, 1k soon. Okay, go ahead and do that right now. Apply this right now to your channel. Come back and share your testimony with me. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.